Morning, and today we are going to Hatta. Hatta is the part of Dubai. Actually, that land is actually the part of Oman, but Oman gifted this land to UAE. Okay, so if you consider as the international boundaries, it was a place of Oman. It was coming in the country Oman, but then Oman just gifted it to UAE, so it's under the control of Dubai now. So we are going to Hatta, and it's very swirly roads on the way, snakes like road on the mountains. You will be passing from the middle of the mountains while reaching here, and you can come either from the Fujairah side or you can either come from Dubai side. So it's a good place. Let's go there. Without sunlight, it's better. So we have reached here at Hatta Heritage Village. This Heritage Village is an important addition in the heritage sites in UAE. It was added in the heritage sites in February 2001, and there are two towers which are adjacent to this heritage sites, and those towers are built in 1888. This is Al Hajreen village, okay, that is surrounded by the two towers. So it was in the middle, this heritage village. In this village you will find various places where there is a weaponry which they were using to fight. And their social gathering, like how they were enjoying their social life and everything. So it's a very nice place. So if you are interested in the old heritage villages or sites, then you must come here and visit this place, and it's free of cost. There is no entry ticket for that, and it's a good family destination. Wadi Park is situated in Hatta. This is one of the biggest park of Hatta. So if you are coming here and if you want to have a barbecue plan, then you should come to Al Wadi Park. Because they have places for this barbecue and it's free entrance. They have a small fountain here also, but it's not working today. I don't know, maybe some technical fault here. But otherwise you can find a very green, different type of plants here, lawns and nice trees, and the weather is nice. If on my background you can see the thunderstorm, so I'm hoping that there will be rain after some time. My first time doing kayak and it's heavy rain now. I was praying to God Almighty that give rain just like 10 minutes ago, and now it's heavy rain and I am loving it. But I don't know how to really do kayak. I am trying my best to be a little professional, but it's raining very heavily and my arms are very tight already. It's amazing. I love it. It's the best one. If you are coming here, you should also do this. But it's a physical work, you know. It's more like exercise for your arms.
Good morning, sun.